Welcome to Danielle's Hair Salon. I am not a trained professional at all. I used to cut all of my Barbie dolls and Cabbage Patch doll hair. Not well.
Nope.
Not well at all, but it is week 3 of self-isolation and social distancing, and so all of the hair salons and barbershops are closed, and Mike is
needing one.
He wants one. I
need it.
I don't feel like it's that bad right now,
It's
but
bad.
Oh, should I get my embroidery scissors?
No. Those won't do
Those
anything.
were good for around here though, remember?
That's what you have the little guys for.
Okay, so I don't know what I'm doing. I've watched a few videos. T's and P's, right?
Yeah.
Okay, here are our tools. We have a Conair, I don't know, trimmer. What's this called?
Shears.
Clippers. A spray bottle filled with water. Kitchen scissors, because we don't have hair shears. And a bunch of different guards and a comb. Hi, I'm Danielle. I'm going to be taking care of you today. Don't worry, I have a lot of experience. What would you like today?
Whatever you can do.
What would you like, honestly?
You know, something better than it is now.
Oh, I didn't bring my hair tool belt out, so we're just going to have to put that in my hands. You have very coarse hair.
Yes, I do.
A little Aveda in there for you, for the scent. Put back in my belt. Do they part it like this? Like, do they make a line? Because
No.
your hair's not long enough to do that.
Nope.
Wait, I can do it. Don't worry. I'm the professional. The fuck? There we go. So wait, that is shorter?
Yep.
That's
Yeah.
longer.
Yep.
Shorter.
Yep.
Okay.
There
Love
goes
you.
nothing.
I love you. I'm gonna need you to put your head down. So I've read,
Then you see
in
what-
my training, it was all about the flick of the wrist.
Then you see where the part is?
Look at the wrist. And look at the wrist. And look at the wrist.
Are you taking this seriously or not?
I am. I want to actually genuinely do a good job.
Yeah.
I want you to come back and be a repeat customer.
Maybe next quarantine.
How's it looking to you?
I can't see anything.
I mean,
How am I supposed to see?
no, I don't know. Okay, after 4 comes 5, right?
I hope so.
Neighborhood cuts, get your neighborhood cuts.
Don't be afraid to use your comb to put the hair where you want it to go.
Okay. Wow, this is a lot of fucking hair. Hold that for a second. Whoops.
Don't ever say whoops.
I'm only kidding a little. Okay, and then for your sideburns, should I do a 2?
Did you not trim them up at all?
I don't think so.
Why don't you take this and put the attachment on this,
Okay,
the long one that's
sure.
over there.
Do you know what number that would be?
There's no numbers, it just have measurements on them.
And 1/8, this one's got no measurement.
The one that has no measurements is the longest, so I'd use that. Not too much, because it probably is way shorter there now. That's probably good. Yes.
Hang on, I'm gonna fade it in a little.
Sounds like it's fucking dying.
Okay, now for my specialty. So how are you holding up with this whole crazy thing we're all dealing with?
Good now.
How's the wife? How's the kids?
Honey, did you even get it in my head?
Did I?
No. Like, do a shitload.
A lot?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, looking good. Let me get those bangs. Okay. Back in my belt. Let's see what we're working with.
What are you doing?
I have no idea. So I should part it all over there, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Just make it the same everywhere. Whether it's 2 fingers, 3 fingers, whatever.
2 fingers? I'm doing 1 finger.
What do you... What?
I'm doing this. What do you mean 2 fingers?
So like...
That's what I'm doing there.
Like this. Like see where I have 3 fingers down here?
Okay, sure. That seems like a lot.
A lot on there yet? Or a lot off? I'm saying like just make it the same length, whatever
Yeah,
you do.
sure. Honey, I got it. Don't worry about it.
I am worried about it.
Oh, I'm starting to get the hang of like how people hold the scissors and the comb in their hand. And don't worry about it right now. I'll go back in and add some texture.
So I'm saying you'll figure out as you go, like...
Yeah, I got it, baby. Don't worry.
Famous last words.
Do you trust me or not?
Yeah.
There's really no good spot for this comb. What the fuck am I supposed to do with it?
Probably not put it in your mouth.
Well, here we are.
There you go. That felt like a real barber.
I hope that my hairstylist is watching this. Oopsie.
Again, you don't ever want to say that.
When Gigi and I would cut Pop's hair, we always went, whoops. I can't wait for Bubs to see this. Who is it that you like to go to?
Frank.
Frank. I'm coming for Frank's job.
No, you're not.
Well, it's real long right there. What happened? I figure I'll do this and then I'll give you some layers.
What?
Give you some layers.
What the hell's a layer?
Layers. Don't you want your hair layered?
You fade it. You fade it up with scissors.
AKA that's a layer, honey.
I like the hair all stuck in your lips and on your face.
Really?
Yes. Because you're wearing lipstick, cutting hair in the outdoors.
I wanted to look good for you.
Probably easier if you used the wider teeth to brush
Oh,
it
I
down.
just cut my finger.
Did you?
A little bit. Don't worry about it. Are you laughing?
You dropped the scissors on my neck.
They ain't open.
Wow, I did a really bad park job out there. Look how crooked it
You
is.
always do. I feel like it's always crooked. Not as straight as my hair cutting.
You're right.
Ooh, you know what's best? If you use all your fingers like a rake and then you can really see.
I have to teach that one in barber school.
I will. They could learn a thing or two from me.
So what you should do when you're done, so if you want to blend on this side, right?
Yeah.
Whatever, comb it all down.
Okay. Oh, yeah.
Go up.
With this?
No, with scissors.
Oh, yeah, I knew that.
Yeah.
That's the oldest trick in the book.
Oh, it is? They teach you that first day?
Yeah.
Why are you holding the comb there?
Where do you...
Do it a move, do it a move.
How?
Move the comb up and go.
Huh?
You pull.
No, I'm not listening to your...
Okay. Okay.
I was doing good, and then you got me all in my head.
Jesus Christ.
Oh, sorry I didn't wear a low-cut blouse for you.
Everyone always does.
I'm sure they do.
That's how they get them big old tips. Tips.
I mean, I think I did a pretty decent job. I'm not trying to toot my own horn.
Toot toot.
But tooty toot root.
Oh, that's pretty good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Are you just saying that?
No.
I mean, I didn't do a lot, but...
I'm pretty impressed.
Are you?
Yeah.
The part is the only thing that I just found really difficult.
Although we also don't have great clippers.
Yeah. Okay, so that was our hair cutting video tutorial.
Yeah.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
Out of 10, what would you give me? Be honest.
What's a 10? A professional?
A 10 is like the best haircut you've ever had. A 1 is the worst haircut you've ever had. I would say a 1 was the haircut that you got right before we got married.
I mean, I think a 5 is pretty good considering you've never cut my hair like this before.
I thought I did better than a 5.
Like, I'd say sometimes I only get like a 7 at the barbers.
Really?
Yeah, sometimes they fuck it up. Normally they're really good, but
Okay.
every once in a while they fuck it up.
So a 5.
Yeah, I think a
I
5
guess
is
I'll
great.
take it. I mean, I'm not going to be quitting my normal job anytime soon is what you're trying to tell me.
I mean, if 1's the worst that I ever
Turn
had
this
for a
way?
wedding, then 5 is pretty fucking good.
Yeah, I think I did an admirable job. I didn't
Sorry, my nose is
I didn't fuck it up as much as you
No.
thought I would.
No, you think you did real good.
Thank you. Okay, where's my tip? I want money. Cash money.
Belly button lit? It's not bad.
Okay. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you have cut your partner's hair, significant other, roommate, grandfather, whoever, I want to see it. Tag us below. I think we gotta go because Barkley's probably trying to eat worms.
He is.
Okay, thank you so much for watching and we'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.